How to hide linked devices on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to manage and remove linked devices from your WhatsApp account on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings to open your WhatsApp settings. At this point, tap on Linked Devices to see all the devices currently connected to your WhatsApp account. In the next step, you'll see a full list of every device that is actively linked to your account, along with the last time they were active. Following this, tap on the device you want to remove from the list. Once done, tap on Log Out to disconnect that device from your WhatsApp account. From here, repeat the same steps for any other devices you want to remove from the list. Finally, once logged out, those devices will no longer have access to your WhatsApp messages and will be completely removed from your linked devices list. Keep in mind that there is no direct option to hide linked devices on WhatsApp. Logging out of them is currently the only way to remove them from appearing on your linked devices list. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you manage your linked devices, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.